Hello. What's up, lovely students? Welcome again to the science lesson. Teacher Lajan is here to teach you some important thing in the science. Okay, before we start our lesson, I supposed to tell you the page, so you can open your books at page 56. Today we have something very interesting, like we can't live without water, so we're gonna learn something about water ecosystem. So before tell you something about water, can you tell me what this thing? What do you see in this picture? This is a bowl? No. When you're flying to the moon, you can see the Earth. This planet that we live on it, like the small ball. So this is the Earth. This is the Earth that we can, we live on it. So here we have some students that asking, what does the green area mean, or what does the blue area mean, and which one is more than the another one? Like here we have green and sometimes brown, and here we have blue. So what does those colors mean? Okay, here we have the Earth. The green color mean land that we live on it, and the blue color mean the water, for example, ocean or sea or river, lake, streams, and ponds. Okay, so we said that we have land and water. So I'm gonna ask you, which one is more than the another one? Which one is more? We can see it's clear and it's obvious that blue color is more than the green. So we can say the water in the on the earth is more than the land. So but how much? We have 75% of earth is water. 75% of earth is water. So we have 25 of earth is land. Okay. Now time to tell you how many types of water we have. We have just one? No. Teacher, we have two. We have two types of water. For example, salt water and fresh water. Salt water and fresh water. What does salt mean and what is salt water, teacher? Salt mean those little spot white spots that we used in our food. So salt water, it is the sour thing that we put it in our food. So water that has a lot of salt in it. For example, ocean and sea water, they are salt water. So we said that in the class that we can drink them. We can drink the salt and ocean or sea. Why we can drink it? Because it contains a lot of salt. It has a lot of salt in it, so it is so salty, so we can drink it. That is why. Okay, so we can find the salt water in the ocean and in the sea. But what is the fresh water? Fresh water, the water has a very little of salt in it. We can drink it or sometimes have no salt, we can say. For example, we have pond, river, and stream and lake. They are fresh water. Okay, I'm gonna repeat it again. Here we have earth. Earth mean زوی لدو بش بکاتوا وشکایی و ئاو. اوكي بزانین کامیان زیاترە. دەبینین هەمیشە ئاو زیاترە وەک لە وشکایی، بەڵام لە سەداچەند سەدا 75 گۆی زەوی چیە؟ ئاوە. اوكي بزانین چەند جۆری ئاومان هەبوو؟ 2. salt water and fresh water. What does salt mean? گوتمان salt مانای چیە؟ واتە ئاوی سوێر، ئاوی خوێواوی، ئەوەی کە خوێی تێدایە، ئەو خوێی لەناو خۆراک بەکاری دێنین، لەناو چێشت بەکاری دێنین. Okay, this water has a lot of salt in it. خوێی زۆری تێدایە. بەڵام لەکوێ بەدەستمان دەگا؟ Ocean and sea. زەریا و دەریا. بەڵام fresh water is so fresh. It has a very little salt in it. هیچ خوێیەکی تێدا نیە، یاخود زۆر کەمی تێدایە. So دەتوانین بیخۆینەوە و دەتوانین لەکوێ بەدەستمان بگا؟ Pond, stream, river, lake لە دەریاچە و ڕووبار و گۆما و لە جۆگە ئاوی فرێشەکان دەتوانین بەدەستمان بگا. Okay, students, you supposed to know about salt water more than this. We can learn about salt water in the detail. Okay, now open your books at page 57 and 58. We have salt. This is salt, by the way. This is salt, and this is ocean salt. Okay. Salt water, not same in the everywhere in the ocean. Maybe in the surface is less, and in the deep is more. So how? Near the surface or of water, less salty because of the rain. Okay, always the ocean water have some zones. For example, surface zone, deep zone. But always surface is less salty than the deep. Why? Because of the rain. When rain coming, so the rain make the surface less salty than the deep, and always the shore, shallow, you can say shallow or shore, or surface of the water in the ocean or in the sea is warmer than the deep. Why? Because of the sun. When sun heat the ocean or sea, make the water warm than the deep. Okay, and we can say the ocean is the largest ecosystem on the earth. Ocean is the largest ecosystem on the earth. Okay, I'm gonna show you by another pictures. Okay, students, look at this picture. Here we have ocean or sea. In the ocean we have two zones: surface zone and deep zone. بەشی سەرەوەی پێی دەڵێن surface، بەڵام بەشی خوارەوەی پێی دەڵێن deep، قوڵایی. Okay, surface is warmer than the deep because of the sun. بزانین ئەوە واتای چییە؟ هەمیشە surface، بەشی سەرەوە، لەبەر ئەوەی ڕۆژ زیاتر لەو دەدا is warmer واتە گەرمترە than the deep، وەک لە بەشی خوارەوە کە قوڵاییەکەیەتی، چونکە ڕۆژەکە زیاتر لە لای سەرەوە دەدات و ناگاتە خوارەوە، چونکە زۆر قوڵە، بۆیە زیاتر سرفس ئاوەکەی گەرمتر دەبێ. Because of what? Because of the sun. And here we have another one. Also here we have surface zone and deep zone. Always the surface is less salty than the deep. هەمیشە surface کەمتر سوێرە وەک لە deep. Why? Because of the rain. Here we have rain. When rain coming, the salt will go to the under, to the deep, so it makes the surface less salty and deep more salty. Okay? کاتێککە باران دەبی هەمیشە وا لە سرفەس دەکا کەمتر سوێر بی، چونکە بارانەکە وا دەکا خوێیەکە زیاتر بنیشێت لە ژێریدا، لە چێندەر لە دیپ، کەواتە دیپ زیاتر سوێر دەبی، زیاتر سۆڵتەکەی تێدا دەنیشێ، لۆیە هەمیشە surface is less salty than the deep. Because of the what? Because of the rain. Okay, students, now open your books at page 60. 60, here we have freshwater ecosystem. We're gonna learn about fresh. Okay, we can say those the main kind is okay. I'm sorry, here I should write the kindest. Okay, the kinds of fresh water we have river, stream, lake, and pond. Here we have river, stream, lake, and pond. Okay, so but how many type of fresh water we have? We have two kinds. Here also I missed it in. Okay, here we have two type of fresh water. Moving fresh water. Those fresh water that can move, that can leave their places, leave place to another, and we named them moving fresh water. أو فريج واتري كتشويني خوان زيدلو وكي دتواني بلين دروا بلام still fresh water, still or still you can say, it cannot leave the water, don't leave their place, don't leave this place, we can say. Why? Because they are still, and like ocean, or we have pond. Here we have two of these are still, and two of those pictures are moving. Here we have river. It's shown that river is moving. Also stream is moving fresh water. All of them are fresh, but two of them are moving and two of them are still. Which one is still? Lake and pond. Okay. Also here we have something to tell you. Always look at the lake and pond. Always lake is larger and deeper than the pond. Always lake is larger and deeper than the pond. And we have a lot of animals can live in the lakes and ponds. Why? Because their water is fresh water, so they can drink it. Also, they live near these water. Like here, they can live near or in the shore. هەمیشە ئاژەڵی زۆرە و ئاژەڵەکان دەتوانن لە نزیک ئاوەکە یاخود لە کەنارەکەدا بژین.